Meet Sarah, 26, burdened by $70,000 in student debt. Scrolling through social media, she saw countless posts about impending student loan forgiveness. Hold tight, relief is coming, the influencers promised. Hope surged through her. She decided to put her payments on hold, convinced that a magic bullet was on its way, and that making payments now would be a waste of her hard-earned money. This seemed like a perfectly rational decision, given the widespread narrative of imminent forgiveness. Months passed. Instead of forgiveness, Sarah received alarming collection notices for her private student loans. Her federal loan interest, meanwhile, quietly compounded. Her credit score, once fair, began to plummet, affecting her ability to secure a new apartment. "But I thought they'd all be forgiven," she lamented, the weight of accumulating debt and damaged credit crushing her. The initial hope had transformed into a devastating financial betrayal, leaving her further in debt and with fewer options. Sarah's experience highlights a pervasive misunderstanding about student debt. Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) data consistently shows the rising tide of student loan debt, while Federal Reserve reports indicate a growing segment of borrowers in distress. The crucial distinction is between federal and private loans. While federal loans have specific, albeit limited, forgiveness programs, private loans, issued by banks and private lenders, rarely qualify for such relief. SEC filings of private loan servicers show their robust collection practices, unaffected by federal policy shifts. Many federal forgiveness programs like Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) are highly conditional and require years of qualifying payments and employment, a detail often overlooked in the broader narrative. Let's quantify the cost of inaction. Suppose Sarah had $50,000 in federal loans at a 6% interest rate. If she waited 2 years for a forgiveness that never materialized for her situation, the accrued interest alone would add approximately $6,000 to her principal, turning a $50,000 debt into $56,000 before even considering private loans. Private loans typically lack income-driven repayment options or forbearance flexibility, meaning interest compounds unchecked, turning a temporary deferment into a significant long-term increase in total debt. The illusion of imminent forgiveness can be an incredibly expensive one. So, how do you navigate the complex world of student loans and avoid these costly myths? The objective countermove is to understand your specific loan types, federal or private. For federal loans, explore income-driven repayment plans, IDR, and carefully review the stringent requirements for programs like PSLF. For private loans, investigate refinancing options with reputable lenders, but only if you can secure a lower interest rate and understand the new terms. Consult official Department of Education resources, not social media. True financial victory lies in proactive management, informed decision-making, and distinguishing between policy proposals and actionable relief, building a solid path to debt freedom.